What's up, everybody? This is 29th of December, guys. I just want to take a look at some of these values here for the severe weather event that's possible tomorrow, guys. Or actually, I should say today now, since we are past midnight. I just want to give you guys a brief overview, quick overview of what's going on here, so we can see as we move into the afternoon and evening hours tomorrow. You can see this massive dew point. Nose coming in here, guys. We're looking at 68-degree dew points along the coast, 64 degrees up in northern Louisiana. So this is up near Shreveport here, guys. And then even up into Little Rock, Arkansas, we're looking at 62-degree dew points. And this even extends all the way into Illinois here, guys. Even up near Chicago here with 50, near 55, 52 degrees. You can definitely see how far north this moisture is going, guys. Definitely pretty interesting to see. Let's take a look at the composite reflectivity. Let's see here. Get this to load. Go. All right, so this is like the morning hours here, guys. We definitely see some showers and storms developing, especially offshore down here towards the south of southwest Louisiana here, guys. But as we step this forward, you can see these storms do eventually come on shore into the afternoon hours and evening hours here. Definitely some strong storms near to the north Louisiana as well. You got a couple of them here starting to appear up in Mississippi as well. So this would be northwestern Mississippi. So we definitely have a few strong cells developing here, guys. So it's definitely pretty interesting to see those developing as well. Let's take a look at some of the severe weather indices here, guys. Let's take a look at the lightning flash rate, see what we can get going on here with these models. Yeah, so definitely some offshore here, then a little bit here, also up to the northeastern Louisiana. Stepping forward, it does look like later on in the afternoon and evening, definitely some lightning through central Louisiana here, guys. And this persists all the way up through into portions of extreme southwest Tennessee and northwestern Mississippi here as well, guys. We have tracks, so lightning flash rate all the way into Arkansas. Some may be reaching southwestern Kentucky here as well, guys. We still have some back here in Texas. Let's take a look at the STP, or the significant tornado parameter. As you can see, they remain offshore during the morning and afternoon hours, but then when evening hours come around, guys, it's a low chance for a tornado here. So we're looking at less than 10% chance here. There may be some water spouts out here just to the south of Sabine Pass here, guys. So definitely be on the lookout for water spouts for sure. That definitely looks like it could be definitely something that's upcoming here. Let's take a look at the Cape values here. See what we got in Cape. All right, let's see here. So it definitely looks like as we go through the evening hours, we definitely have pretty good Cape here, guys. 1,300 to 1,500 joules per kilogram. That's pretty good here in southwestern and central Louisiana here. This Cape extends all the way through Arkansas here. We do have low Cape values, so we have low instability values through Missouri and Illinois. Nothing for Tennessee, which is interesting since we had some lightning flash rates earlier. But that could just signify that storms are capable of producing lightning, but are not capable of producing severe weather. So we'll definitely take a look at that. Head into the later on today, guys. Let's see here. Let's look at these temperatures. See what we got going on. Let's look at the 2-meter temperature here. So yeah, 60s, 70s, even up to 75 down here, guys. So that's way better than what we were doing with the winds, especially before Christmas, guys. So yeah, I mean, definitely some ingredients in place for some storms to definitely take shape here. Let's take a look at 700 millibar relative humidity as well. We can get a gauge on some of the humidity values here. Definitely as we step through the morning hours into the afternoon and evening hours, you can definitely see this plume of moisture definitely showing up here, guys. So that's near, 99% relative humidity here. So that's pretty interesting to see. That extends all the way up Thursday night, all the way from northeastern Louisiana, all the way through Kentucky here, guys, even into portions of extreme southern Indiana. But we're definitely taking a look at that. Let's look at the 850. Definitely, we have a lot more moisture. So it's definitely interesting to see. Definitely a new air mass moving in for sure. Let's see here. See what else we could take a look at here. Definitely take a look at some of these winds. Let's look at wind gusts. See what we got going on for winds. So about 35-mile-per-hour winds up near Shreveport. We definitely have some 30s and maybe some 40s showing up here in Arkansas. And then this spreads all the way across Illinois, central Illinois, all the way through Indiana, some portions of Ohio as well. This includes Cleveland. So that's about 30 to 40-mile-per-hour wind gusts. So definitely could turn out to be a windy day here, guys. But yeah, I mean, other than that, right now as it stands, I mean, it looks like it could be. I definitely think the SPC is right on the marginal risk. I don't know if they'll issue a slight risk. I don't think that they will, at least as it stands right now. But it definitely looks like there's definitely a chance. Definitely for marginal risk, tornado chances are like 2 to 5%, even as low as or as high as 10%. So it's still pretty low. Definitely looks like lightning, maybe some small hail and gusty winds are going to be the main threats, guys. Rain, however, though, I mean, we're looking at about 2 inches of rain in some areas. This swath right here, so that's interesting to see. So be on the lookout for localized flash flooding as well as ponding on the roads. But all right, guys, just wanted to join you real quick, give you that update. Hopefully that works out. Hopefully we'll see. Hopefully this stream is a good one. But yeah, guys, it's definitely interesting to see. But I definitely appreciate you joining me here once again. Thank you all for watching. As always, please hit that subscribe button, enable notifications so you don't miss any weather alerts and weather briefings and some lectures in meteorology as well. Make sure you hit that like button, guys. Smash it, definitely for sure. Share this information out there as well to other platforms. Definitely get the word out that World Weather Authority is coming on the stage with the weather forecasts and graphics here, guys. Check us out on Facebook as well at World Weather Authority. For the most part, we are going to be updating YouTube more often than Facebook. So just putting that out there, guys. And then if you guys do have the means to donate, obviously it's not mandatory or it's not required. But it definitely helps our channel build our brand. So we definitely appreciate that. That's at paypal.me/World Weather Authority. All right, guys. Hope y'all have a good night. Thanks for joining me. Always remember, never stop chasing.